Hey KIPPsters, it's Miss Miller. I don't know about you all, but I think it's time for math. Math, it's time for M-A-T-H, math, math, math. Thanks to you guys that sang along with me. Today, we're going to work on adding and subtracting two-digit numbers using a couple different strategies. So let's look at our first problem. 38 plus 26 equals, now you read it. You got it. And it has that plus sign there. And we know that plus means add. You say it. Add means put together. There you go. So we're going to be putting these two numbers together using a couple different strategies. The first one we're going to use is counting the tens first. A lot of you do this strategy in CGI, so it's pretty similar. So first we're going to build our numbers. We have 38 and 26. And I know 38 has 3 tens and 8 ones. And you guys might not have these cubes at home with you, but that's okay. I just have them here to help you because we're going to draw and show our work because we know great mathematicians always show their work. But first I need my 3 tens. There we go, right there. And my 8 ones. You take a 10 stick, break off 2. I know that's 8. I'm going to count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. So there's my 3 tens and 8 ones to make 38. How would I make 26? How many tens are in 26? You got it. 2 tens in 26. And then how many ones do I need for 26? 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's my 6 ones. Awesome. So since we're counting the tens first, I'm just going to count all of my 10 sticks first because that's a faster strategy. Counting by tens. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, switch. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. My answer is 64. Did you guys count that with me? Awesome job. Now, that's just how we do it with our cubes. We know we're great mathematicians, and great mathematicians always show their work. They always? Absolutely. So we're going to show our work and label the way that we counted with our tens first. So my 38 has how many tens? Of course, 3 tens. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. There's my 3 tens. And then I need my 8 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I know 3 tens and 8 ones is 38. Now I need to show my 26. I have how many tens in 26? 1, 2 tens. And then how many ones in 26? My 6 ones. Help me out here too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 tens and 6 ones is 26. That's all I need to do, right? Say no way. Of course, I need to label to show how I'm counting to get my answer. I didn't even write my answer down yet. So with this strategy, we're counting the tens first. We're counting the cool. And that's how I'm going to label it too, counting my tens first. So here we go. Try not to knock these over. 10, 20, 30, over here to these tens, 40, 50. That's all my tens, so now I'm going to switch and count my ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. Thanks for counting with me. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. Circle my answer. 38 plus 26 equals 64. And I'm sure you all are telling me to put my box around the answer. Cool? Awesome. So that is our strategy that we're using when we're counting the tens first. we started learning a new strategy, which was decade counting. Does anyone remember that one? If you don't, it's okay. We're going to review it. So the next strategy we're going to try with this same problem is decade counting. I'm going to write it here to remind you. Decade counting is when we're counting up by tens. So that means we first start counting with the first number and we count up by tens because we know how to do that with our tens place changing. I'm going to show you what I mean though. So I still have my cube set up just so I can show you. I'm going to grab the first number. 38 is my bigger number, so I know I'm going to grab that one. And then I'm going to count up by tens for decade counting. So everybody get their hands up. Oh, wait a minute, that wasn't everybody. Everybody get your hands up. Grab this 38. 38. Now I'm going to decade count up by tens. So I have my 38. 10 more is 48. 10 more is 58. Then I'm out of tens, so I have to switch and count by ones. So I was at 58, switch, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. I got the same answer. Awesome. But, of course, I'm not done. I need to show my work. I need to. Absolutely. All right, I'm going to move these cubes out of the way so we can see and see if you remember. How many tens do I need to draw for 38? You put up those ring fingers, you got it. 1, 2, 3 tens. And how many ones do I need? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 3 tens and my 8 ones for 38. Then I'm adding my 26, which has how many tens? 2 tens. And my 6 ones. Help me out here too, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 tens and 6 ones for 26. Now, the first thing we did when we were decade counting was what? Who remembers? Yeah, we got the bigger number. So I don't even need to, I already know that it's 38 because I drew out my 3 tens and 8 ones. So I'm going to label this together that it's 38. Can everybody see that? I'll move it a little bit closer. So you can see that 38. Then we're decade counting, which means we count up by tens. So we count up by tens. Yep, so 38, 10 more would be 48. 10 more than that would be 58. Then I don't have any more tens, so I have to count the ones. So I was at 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So my answer is 64. Excellent. So, you guys think you're ready to try some? Awesome. I have some problems on the back that you're going to get to try. So, look around, see if you can find a paper, some pencil, maybe left over from your packet, and you're going to write down these problems that I'm going to show you on the back. Take a look just for you all. I got 2 awesome problems for you. And I want to challenge you to try both strategies. You could try both strategies for this one and this one, or maybe try one strategy for this one and then try a different one. So these are your 2 problems. So go get some paper, pencil, get ready to go. Think about which strategy you're going to try first. Challenge yourself to try a new strategy that you haven't used before. And our 2 strategies, just to review, one is to count the tens first. You need to. Awesome. And then challenge yourself, if you haven't tried this before, to do some decade counting. That means you're counting up by tens. You're counting. Absolutely. And of course, put this down here at the bottom. Don't forget you're a great mathematician. And great mathematicians, you have to show your work. You have to. Awesome. Can't wait to see you try these. And don't worry, I'm going to show you the answers and show you my work at the start of our next video when we're doing some subtraction. See you guys soon.